Welcome back, everybody. Well, today we're going to be using the Coleman oven. We're going to do a 3-ingredient peanut butter cookie. We're going to use peanut butter, sugar, and 1 large egg. And that's all the ingredients that we're going to need. And we're going to use this little tiny frying pan right here. Alright, so we'll get this mixed up and then we'll head on out. Okay, we're outside at the Coleman oven. There's our cookies on a little tiny cookie sheet. And Coleman oven and the Coleman stove. And we'll get this thing fired up and get the cookies in there. And if it works right, they'll spread out and look like cookies or one big cake cookie. So let's get this thing going. Alright, we're running. Let's get this oven closed. A lot of birds out here. Pretty day. That haze you see in the sky is from those fires up in New Jersey, and of course I'm down here in Virginia, so 250-300 miles up the coast there's a very decent sized fire. Take care of all you folks from New Jersey. A little bit of smoke coming from the stuff that we cooked the last time. I guess I probably didn't get it as clean as totally clean, but anyway, it's disappearing now. Last time we did that dump cake, and you can see the temperature is going up rather quickly. And we're gonna give this about a 15 minutes, and then we'll check it out, see what it looks like in there. So, all you camp cookie monsters, fingers crossed that this works. A 3-ingredient peanut butter cookie. Of course, you could use all sorts of different peanut butter, the crunchy stuff, smooth stuff, whatever. Okay, I guess you could put chips and stuff in there, everything else, chocolate chips, whatever. A totally windless day, just about. Maybe 2-3 miles an hour. You can see some slight movement. Normally we have to put that welder's blanket on there, but not this time. And the temperature is, we've been on about 4 or 5 minutes and we're already 250. I can smell the peanut butter in there cooking now. Okay, we are closing on 325. And our target temperature is around 350 to 375. And we'll have to use our knob to control it. A totally windless day, and temperatures in the 60s or so at the moment, Fahrenheit. Definitely makes it a lot more easier to cook and handle the heat. Alright, we are climbing. Let's take a real quick look. Oh yeah, you can see the poofing. We're at 350 degrees. Really easy to do in a camping type setup. Okay, we are nearing the 375 degree Fahrenheit mark, so we might have to do some adjustments here. Take a look in there. Oh yeah, pooping up pretty good now. All right, we are about done, I think. Oh yeah, all right, let's turn this stove off. All right, The sound is ended. Alright. And we'll open this thing up, the oven. Let's take a look in here. There you go. Camp cookies. What do you think? Starting to brown up on the edges and stuff.